Look at this apple. Just huge, huge apple. Look at this thing. It's a monster, man. Junk right on the surface there. I'm going for the deeper targets here, right? There's something right near the surface here. What's that? Something red right there. Is it a car? Toy car right there? Part of a toy car. A little piece to it. Modern car, nothing old. Oh yeah, right here. Here's a good one. Oh man, roots right there. Some copper right there. So I know an old wagon road used to come right here. There's the outhouse right there from the 1870s home. And the outhouse is right there. And an old wagon road used to come right down here at an angle down to that way behind that barn right there. So, and in between these apple trees here, right? Oh, they just took out some blackberry bushes here too, so it's gonna be really hard to dig in here. All right, because it overgrown for so long. Right in there. The soil's really hot, man. Oh boy. Oh man, I'm moving a lot of soil around. Oh boy. Come on. Oh no. I think I just lost that target. Come on, baby. This soil is so hot, man. It's up here. Right in there. It's right in here. Oh, come on, baby. Let it be a coin, man. It's not a coin. It's a car part. Yep. It's a little bit of a car part there. But just gotta get through it, right? These thorn bush roots are horrible here. Obviously big overload right here, but I'll still dig it out. You never know. Oh, these thorn bushes, man. Right there. Come on. Come on, baby. Right there. Mason lid right there. Wow, fully intact. I cannot believe that one. That is amazing. That didn't get destroyed by my shovel. Fully intact, man. Wow, man. Crazy. Right there. Yeah, bring it on. It's so beautiful here, man. A lot of glass over here too, right on the surface. So big iron right there. Oh yeah, bring it on, man. Yeah, come on, baby. Oh, something hard there. A rock. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Oh, these roots, man. It's up here. Right in there. Come on. Oh, it's a heart pendant, man. It's a heart, half of a best friend's token, half a best friend's heart pendant. Right there, man. Sweet, some jewelry. Yeah, man. Jewelry, right there, baby. Right there, baby. Oh yeah. I'll put that in my pocket. I love the site, but it's kind of love me, hate me on days. But I've got a lot of junk today. I've really filled my bag up about 3 times with a lot of junk. Found a token, found some kind of token right there, an old token. I can't really identify it, but it's underneath this old oak tree, right? Or this underneath this apple tree here. See all the apples? I ate one of the apples and they are super delicious, man. I mean, the best tasting apples ever. Jim and I came here last year, before they leveled all this stuff out. There's really tall brush right back here. Really tall brush, really hard to dig around this area because all the apples get in your way, right? Jim and I actually took a rake and we raked all the apples out of the way before we detected here. But it was all overgrown, you know, 10-foot tall sticker bushes all around us here. It's kind of hard to get back here, but found quite a few wheat pennies right in this area. So, you know, there's a couple more apple trees right there. We've got 1, 2, 3, and then there's an alder tree right there, and then there's a big oak tree and another oak tree back there. But there's a big pile of tires there. You know, this stuff has been overgrown for a few years. So they just cleared it out just last week. Or a couple weeks ago, they started clearing it out. They just got done clearing all this area out. All the sticker bushes, they just came through here with a skid steer and just mowed it all down and took all the brush away. But all this stuff is going away. You know, they're gonna be putting some apartment buildings in here. Kind of sad. You know, all these apple trees that have been over here for over 100 years are gonna be gone. But, you know, I ate probably the last apple that somebody's gonna eat off these trees. I could save a few of them, you know, but I can't really get up to them because they're so far up in the tree there. When Jim and I were here last, they had this hook. They had this big bamboo, this about a 20-foot long piece of bamboo with a hook on the end, and we were just plucking the apples off. We filled up a whole bag full of apples. But Kind of dark today, kind of cold. You know, it's kind of chilly today, but I'm still having fun. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.